find its derivative. Magamit tayo ng product rule. So yun, u prime b plus u b prime. So identify muna natin yung u. So yung u natin dito ay cosine 8x squared minus 16. Ayan. And then, sa u prime naman, wait dito. U prime, so yung derivative ng cos is negative sine. Then, kopyahin yung 8x squared minus 16. And then, yung inner term nito, 2 times 8 equals 16x. 2 minus 1, x na lang. So, constant rule 16, 0. Okay, sa b, yung b natin is sine x squared. So, yung b prime, so yung sine ay, ano yan, cos, yung derivative niya. Okay, ng x square, and then yung inner term na x square, so magiging 2x. Okay, so insert na natin, ay substitute na natin sa formula. So u prime, ito yung u prime, kopyahin natin yan, negative sine 8x squared minus 16 times 16x. Then, yung v, ito yung v, times sine x squared. Plus, yung u natin ay cosine 8x squared minus 16. And then yung b prime, ito yon times cosine x squared times 2x. Yan. Pinagkasya na lang. Okay, for the final answer, so negative sine 8x squared minus 16 times 16x times sine x squared is equals to negative 16x sine 8x squared minus 16, and we have sine x squared plus, so i-multiply natin ito lahat, magiging 2x cosine 8x squared minus 16, then cosine x squared. So yan, ito yung derivative. And that is the product rule.